I am asked all the time, what does robotic trading look like? Well, it can take many shapes and forms. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com, and we specialize in robotic trading, getting machines to help us make decisions and or flat out make the decisions. In fact, I will go even further. Some of the strategies that we write not only are they robotic that the machine is making the decision to enter and exit, but it is actually practicing what we call, or sometimes you hear called, artificial intelligence. Holy crap! What is that? Artificial intelligence is actually making decisions on the fly. As the market changes, the strategy that may have been written 2 weeks ago and may have been operating in a particular fashion adjusts, makes an adjustment without actually having to change the code, and will start to run in a fashion that is conducive for that particular market. I hear all the time from traders, well, I was doing really good. I was up $30,000 and then I gave it all back. No, you were fooled. You were fooled. You were one of the people fooled into believing that you knew what you were doing, and you got lucky, honestly. Because if you understood what it was you were doing, you wouldn't have given it back. Now, I wanted to show you the strategy just put in an order here, but you don't see it up there because I actually turned it off. Okay, I turned off the machine. But did you see it light up? Buy. Hey, you should have bought. You didn't buy. Let me show you something. When we do trade manually, we trade ourselves like a machine. Did you notice I pushed one button, but I got 3 lines? I got this line, this line, this line. What is that? That's my profit target. I'm going to push it up here, actually. So I'm going to push the profit target up to about $180. When it went in at 125. And then what I'm going to do is, excuse me, we're going to slide this little stop up here. Instead of risking 125, I'm going to cut that in half. And then I'm going to chat with you for the next few minutes. And we watch. I'm Bagger Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. If you want to learn to trade with machine precision, get away from, the carpal tunnel, your hand form-fitted over the mouse, and truly learn to trade like a machine and or let the machine do it, we're here to help you. We have a base membership. We have a level 2 membership. It is month to month, but more importantly, we have a Jumpstart program, a Jumpstart. If you want to sign up for a 3-month intensive program, see, we're a mentoring site. We're an educational site. We don't hand out the fish. We teach you how to fish. If you want to take control over this part of your life and trade day in, day out. Do you see all these trades? Really unbelievable. Let me show you what the performance report, if you wanted the machine to do it. You say, I don't even want to do that, Bagger. Well, let me show you. And pay attention over here, because that's about to, I want you to be able to see the trade. Let me show you the performance report. How's that look over just a couple of months? That look pretty good? How about this? 10,700. Trading this one market with this one strategy over the last couple of months, profit factor of about 1.21. Not too bad. We try to do much better than that. Give you the trade analyses. We have dozens. The reality of it is, though, we could give you that strategy and you probably couldn't run it because you're not prepared. You don't have the right equipment. You don't have the right mindset yet. It takes time. It takes time. And if you sign up for the Jumpstart program and you work just half as hard as we do, you're going to learn. Now see, I don't even have my hand on the mouse. See the 180? If that yellow line, which is price, hits this little line right here, we're going to make 180 bucks. And here's my stop. So I'm going to take my stop. Let me see if I can get on here and make sure that I don't lose anything. See? So now I got a stop loss in. I'm guaranteed that I'm going to make 180 or 35 bucks in less than 6 minutes because I only got a 10-minute video. Now the $2,000 winner, that's trading on something entirely different. And we don't have time to share with you in 10 minutes everything that we do. That's why I invite you. I'm a real person. I'm not a broker. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that's been doing this a long, long time and happy to teach those people that are interested at working hard, and want to do it. Some people just want the fish, and that's okay. There are sites and programs for that. But we're not that. We're going to teach you how to do it. And we're about to ready. If it hits $180 profit, we're going to get a limit order. We're going to make, and you can actually see it over here. We got another little tool over here. You can see it. I'll bring it to the fore so you can see the order. That's it. Thank you very much, Mr. Market. That just paid 180. This is still running, but that one just paid 180 bucks. How about this one? 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 Oh boy, I'm going to get myself a wrinkle chart and set it up, and that's all I'm going to do. Yeah, that isn't going to work. Okay, it's not that simple. Don't I wish it was, but not quite. There's a lot more happening here than you can fully appreciate. So feel free to give me a call. Again, I'm a real person. And if you don't think so, if you watch this, get on our Twitter sphere. We have private members now. And ask, is Bagger full of crap? They're probably going to steer you clear because they don't want anybody else learning what they know. No, they're all good folks. But ask them. I don't mind. I can't remember the last time we lost a person. We work really, really hard. And there are so many different ways to trade the market. We try to expose as many different ways as we can because everybody sees the market a little bit differently. This may work for someone else it may not. But I could have gone in with the machine now. The machine could have just put me in. I probably would have had another 50 bucks. But we went in manually. But, I wanted to show you just going in manually how we use the machine. Again, it was an order sends order. That was when we sent the order, the profit target, the amount of money we expected to make went in at the same time. And the stop loss. So that's how we prevent ourselves from ever having a negative outlier. If we move that stop loss, and we can do it on the chart, it goes up to guarantee that we make money, whether it be 25 bucks or 35 bucks. We never want a negative outlier. Now the profit target, we can push that up too. Okay? And then we also use OCOs, order cancels order. But we're machined. See, you will put an order on, and it will run up 180. And you're like, okay, well, maybe I'm going to get 300. Oh, I got 300. Maybe I'm going to get 500. Oh, shit. Oh, I'm all the way down to even. Oh, crap. Now I'm down 200. Now I'm down 500. Now, oh, no, I lost $1,000. Ah! We don't have any of that. Zero. Zilch. Nothing. Zero. Just, you've learned more in a few minutes than probably, how many other folks. But there's so much more. Feel free to call 813-758-8263. I'm Bagadon, stockmarketcaddy.com.